Okay, London session in our PJs. Woohoo! Just a little wine. Okay. Oh, come on, internet. Let's not do that. All right, let's make some money. Okay, we've got one participant, that is me right now. But this is the first London session that I am doing live at the moment. So let's go. Let's make some money. And if you're not in Traders Pulse, you definitely want to be in that. And also the VIP with Paris. Totally worth it. I'm telling you. Lifetime membership. All right, so I'm just going to go in and share the screen. I've got the German DAX. Please make sure that your spread is not too big. Okay. This is ridiculously just higher highs and higher lows. It has to retrace, but it doesn't mean it's going to retrace right now. It could make another high. We can catch some moves on that as well. Yeah, so let's see. It's very much in an uptrend. So high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, bullish, bullish, bullish. Nothing to the left, I don't think. So always check to the left, but this pushes up. There's only me on at the moment, but this is open up too. To me, this is a trend line here, a break here. We could get some sells. It could be both options, a buy and a sell.
Yeah, I just came back on that dive because it
Oh,
just
you're
stopped.
back on.
Yeah,
Can you see me?
yes.
Oh, good. Sorry, I was stopping recording. I think I actually stopped the whole Zoom.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so get ready to buy and sell. Sell on the UK, this one here, whatever broker you're using. Just make sure the spread, we're going in for a scalp. I just need to mute these comments. You know, everything's coming on there. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I've got this sell. It's good buy or sell the DAX. Oh, come on now, buddy. So this is a new platform from Hanko. Okay, let's get it to stand still. Oh, okay. Oh. I might just, I'm going to go for a buy on DAX. Sorry, it's just so quick. Okay. I feel it's going to push up before it retraces. A lot of people looking for sells. Oh, we've got such low risk. Sorry, I'm not used to it. If you got in here and all right, that'd be a lot of money for someone on a larger lot size. If you are on this, I don't know who's on, I can't see. Okay, there's just Tracy at the moment. But this here, if you're scalping, um, you can take profits and also, but it's 20 cents. Yeah, there we go. But that here, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'll be taking partials or closing one of my positions and moving my stop loss to break even and moving that up. Yeah, sorry. Everything's moving really fast. But there you go. It's easy to make money. Yeah. Um, but yeah, 30 sorry, 33 cents. All right, I'm just gonna close that. But yeah, there we go. All right. Very easy to make money. The volume comes in, done and dusted. And we're just watching this one as well, but this is more wishy-washy here. This is beautiful. We're in an uptrend. We've got bullish patterns as well. And we're just in an uptrend. So if I just go on here, so I made 30 cents. It should be $300 at least. Okay. So we've got the bullish pattern. We're in an uptrend, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. This is going to shoot up, and you never know. It's probably going to do whatever. There's nothing to um, tell us anything else but buys at the moment. So if we go on to our orb, money zone orb, everything is above the moving average, right? We go to the 1 minute time frame. There's a beautiful bullish pattern, right? And there's a beautiful breaker structure, and there's our easy money. So that was a London V4. There we go. You take it off this one as well. So me personally, if I was in this trade, sorry, I'm getting used to this platform because I have other different platforms as well. So, but yeah, easy money. This here, I wouldn't be in that right now, but yeah, that's it. So Traders Pulse, they have got this new scanner. I have not got this yet, but so I don't know how to use it, but interesting to put on my chart. Yeah. And the signals, easy money here. The live sessions, and you can go on the replays. So yeah. AJ. TP3 hit. There we go. So you would have made money with this. TP2 hit. You would have made money with this. TP1. Yeah, Rico he's quite good. I think he does live trading sessions as well. Yeah, but this is free to join. And as I said, for those who listen to the recording, because I know people are asleep, Paris's VIP group is just unbelievable. So if you don't have the funds, then come in here, make the money, and get into Paris's group because it's lifetime. And at the moment, it's the entry to get into that is very, very. I jump on it. It is very good. All right. So yeah, but this, in here, if you have not seen this before, the live sessions, so there might be not right now, but there'll be live sessions coming up, and then if you miss them, you can always go back and go onto the replays, and have a look at that. But yeah, I think we caught a lot of pips in Paris's VIP, so make sure you're in there. For anyone who joins Traders Pulse and deposits $100 into their Henko or their Magno effects, I will go over. Look at that. Oh, mate, I could have made $1. Oh, yeah, yeah. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Straight out of there. But yeah, that's one good thing about this as well. I just I was fiddling too much with the stop loss. Trying to get used to that. This is their new platform, so I'm just trying to get familiar with it, but it's very easy. So if I was to get into this, all right, and I put my stop loss on, right, and I bring this down, I can go, I want to risk 2% and it'll give me the money of my account, right? So, and if I want to risk 1%, if I want to put 2 trades in, I can close one and then I can have the other one running. But it's very easy to just, come in here, go, okay, I'm going to risk this much amount of money because indices, if you're anything like me, I can never figure out pips and the ticks and the risk and all that and blah, blah, blah. And this makes it so easy for you. So, I'm with Hanko. Well, this is actually Trent's account. I didn't really do too much trading today, but yeah, there you go. This is really good. So, as I say, sitting on a bale of hay. Yeah, we're in the caravan here. Our son actually built this whole van. You can't see it, but yeah, it's beautiful. We wake up to what our son and his beautiful wife created, and it's all solar powered, so we can actually take it wherever we want and be in here. And yeah, but it's just a really nice, beautiful feeling to be in here. So yeah. Anyway, hopefully, well, I think there was only us two on, yeah, me and you, Tracy. But hopefully someone else got into this, you know. It's very good. All right. So if I look at this yesterday, there was yesterday's London in there, and you can see this beautiful bullish pattern. Easy money. For those, that are finding it difficult to trade this strategy, it's available when you put in $100 into your Henko or Magno effects as well. A lot of traders do the New York session and they do on the 15-minute. I do it with all sessions. As you see here, I've got Sydney, Asia, Asia 2, London 1, London 2, London 3, New York, and the Power Hour. The Power Hour, believe it or not, makes a lot of money. It's not the Power Hour that people are thinking of. It's at 5 in the morning my time. So the market is pretty slow. So what people think that it's slow, but it's actually quite volatile. All right, so we can see here. All right, there's a power hour this morning. Boom scar 1-to-1. Done. Easy money. If you got a futures account as well, there's, $200 or $100, depending on your, even more, depending on what you're trading, what account size, what lots and what contracts. So this strategy works for futures and forex as well. So yeah. So whoever joins up, they will get this strategy included as well. Oh, look at that. That is beautifulness. I swear it's going to come into here. Bounce up. Anyway, watching this, we got a low equals here. We're going to come down, tap in. Anyway, we shall see. Next second, it goes flying up. Market does what it does. We react. If we're in a buy and it goes against us, we analyze and we go in and we change our analysis. We don't get emotional. We take a small loss. We're not going to sit there in a fetal position, hoping it turns around. Better off to just close a small loss and get in with where it's going. All right. But this here is, boom, 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 boom. All right. Okay. Let me just have a look at the UK. Yeah, there we go. There was the buyout. I missed that, but at least I'm not doing a million like I did before. A million different pairs and assets. But there we go. The bounce here, it's coming up to these areas here. You look to the left. Could even come up further into here. If this keeps on going and it curls around, so if it does this, right, comes here, right, and then starts going around, I'll be looking for a little sell into this area here, pops down, beautiful. If it did that, right, this is an area where price came down. Not saying it's going to do this, but I can see a bearish pattern here. And this area here, this is where price pushed up. You can have this kind of thing. Yeah. But that was easy. A break of structure here and out of there. That was this here, UK 100. There's other things to trade, but I'm not going to go on to other things. But yeah. All right. I'm going to keep it at that at the moment, and I'll be on again. Put some tips into the chat as well. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Look at that. Just put on that. Beautiful. Reversal pattern. Boom. Quick money. Oh. Whatever makes you feel comfortable in your trading, whether it's music, looking at a naked chart, I just see boom, 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 going in a downtrend in this channel here. Lower lows, lower highs. This is Bitcoin. Make sure your broker doesn't have a huge spread. So there we go. Oh, look at that. So, if I would have actually done my risk properly, this could have been like a lot of money with this trade. But that's how easy that is to make money. With the London volume, even the Asia, at the hour, when it comes in at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, in Asian session, my time, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, there's a volume push. Sometimes there's not, but a lot of times there is. And that would have made a lot of money. So there we go. So, have a position, keep a position, take partials. I'm not a partial person, to be honest. I'm going to get in, close a position, and then keep one open. If the blues don't stop me. If you know me, I see money, I go, it's mine. And then it goes another 5 million pips. All right. I'm going to leave it at that. But this is, the London session is very easy to make money with because the volume comes in. So go with the trend until the bend. Okay. If you're not in here, please let me know and I'll get you connected. Plenty of things to trade, but I'll be sticking to this. All right. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye.
Bye. Bye.